Have you ever thought about investing in the stock market but felt like it was too complicated, too risky, or that you simply didn't know where to start? Maybe you've asked yourself, what if I lose money? What if I do everything wrong? If that has ever crossed your mind, don't worry, because today I'm going to show you a simple, safe, and direct path to taking your first step into the world of investing. In this video, you'll understand how the stock market works, what the safest investments are for beginners, and most importantly, how to start even with a small amount of money. If you watch until the end, you'll leave here with a practical plan to invest with confidence, without that overwhelming feeling of being lost. So get ready, because this could be the first step to changing your financial life. One of the biggest myths about the stock market is that you need a lot of money to start. Many people believe that only millionaires or finance experts can invest. But the truth is, you can start with very little. Today, with less than $50, you can buy a fraction of a stock or invest in ETFs, which are baskets of stocks from major companies. In other words, you can start small and grow gradually. But before we dive in, let's clarify a very important point. Investing is not gambling. Many beginners think they have to predict which stock will rise, or that they need to time the market perfectly. This is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. The secret is to invest consistently, focusing on solid strategies that work over time. And speaking of solid strategies, let's get into the 3 safest and simplest types of investments for beginners. First, ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Imagine an ETF as a big basket of stocks. Instead of investing in just one company, you invest in a fund that holds dozens or even hundreds of stocks at once. This reduces risk and increases your chances of making money in the long run. Second, we have dividend stocks. These are shares of companies that distribute part of their profits to investors. It's like receiving a paycheck for simply owning the stock. Many people build an additional source of income just by reinvesting these dividends over time. And third, fixed income investments. If you're looking for something even safer, you can invest in government or corporate bonds, which pay you a fixed return over time. While they don't offer the same growth potential as stocks, they are an excellent option for maintaining stability in your portfolio. At this point, you might be asking, okay, but how do I actually start? The first step is to open an investment account with a reliable brokerage. Look for one with low fees and a user-friendly platform. After that, set a goal for your investments. Are you investing for the long term? Do you want to buy a house, retire earlier, or simply grow your wealth? Defining your goal will help you stay focused. The next step is to make your first deposit. And here's an important tip. You don't need to wait until you have a lot of money. Investing small amounts regularly is often more effective than waiting for the perfect moment. And finally, start with diversified and low-risk investments. A great way to begin is by buying an ETF that tracks a major index such as the S&P 500, which represents the largest companies in the market. Now, I know that fear and insecurity might still be lingering, but here's the truth. Every successful investor was once a beginner, just like you. The difference is that they took action. They started with what they had and learned along the way, and you can do the same. So if you've watched this far, I have a challenge for you. Take the first step today. Research a brokerage, download an investment app, or even simulate an investment to familiarize yourself with the process. The important thing is to get started. And if you want more content like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That way, you'll always receive new tips to help you on your journey toward financial freedom. Now tell me in the comments, what's your biggest fear when it comes to investing? I'll be reading and answering each one. See you in the next video.